In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce audio in Cubase. So there's a few different ways. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. The first one's going to be a simple export. So you want to go to File and then Export. And if you have some audio in here, you could just do quick audio export like this. You can select where you want to export this, give it a name, and click on Save. That's the first way. The second one is this more advanced export, so audio mixdown, where you can of course select all your tracks. I'm just going to leave it like it is. I'm going to do stereo out. You can put your locators on here to select kind of the position where you actually want to save. So of course the part of your audio in your timeline. You can give it a name and then the path, and of course you can go ahead and set different file types, etc. And then just go and hit the export audio, and that's also going to bounce your audio. Then the third way is going to be to click on your audio, and you can go to audio up here, and then you can click on bounce selection, and that's going to bounce your selection as well. That's also going to work. Or you could go to edit up top left, render in place, and then render settings, and from here you can select the mode you want. I'm going to do as one event. I'm going to do dry over here, and you can select multiple properties, give it a name. I'm going to do audio 1 2 3. You can then select where you want to save this. I'm just going to go to my downloads, like for example, I'm going to do edits folder, click on select folder, and then render. It's going to render your audio, and just like this, it's going to bounce it as well, okay? So those are kind of all the ways to bounce audio, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.